In modern semiconductor manufacturing, raw test data is as valuable as silicon itself, but only when it can be properly refined. Every wafer test holds critical yield information buried under layers of unstructured noise. Without effective data manipulation, these insights remain hidden, leading to costly yield losses. Test data manipulation refers to the process of cleaning, transforming, and aligning raw test data so engineers can extract meaningful insights for yield optimization. The industry faces 6 major challenges. 1. Massive data volumes, millions of dies per lot. 2. Slow data updates, delaying critical decisions. 3. Ingestion bottlenecks, when file formats are inconsistent. 4. Data fragmentation across fabs and test houses. 5. Scalability issues, legacy systems can't keep up. 6. Security and compliance, protecting sensitive data. Modern yield management platforms automate this through 8 key steps. Step 1, data collection. Consolidate STDF files from different testers. Step 2, parsing and cleaning. Eliminate duplicates, fix timestamps, filter invalid tests. Step 3, mapping and categorization. Create wafer maps showing pass, fail zones. Step 4, normalization, standardize units and align coordinates. Step 5, statistical correlation. Identify electrical gradients and recipe drifts. Step 6, no SQL storage. MongoDB handles massive, irregular datasets efficiently. Step 7, Docker deployment. Containers start within seconds, reducing downtime. Step 8, continuous monitoring. Real-time alerts prevent bad data from going unnoticed. That's how semiconductor test data manipulation transforms scattered datasets into actionable intelligence. yieldWerx is a specialized end-to-end yield data management and analytics solution designed for the semiconductor industry. It automates the full pipeline from data ingestion to yield visualization and reporting. Key features include seamless integration with all the popular AT outputs, automated data transformation, filtering and normalization, advanced correlation tools for wafer sort and final test data, centralized storage enabling multi-user collaboration. Now it's time to put it into action. With an intelligent yield management system, you can go from scattered data sets to automated yield insights. Schedule a demo today and see what's possible with yieldWerx.